A free stuff guide. Free stuff introduction. Get free stuff like coupons, samples, discounts, discount cards, free things from the government, free stuff from Craigslist.org, Kijiji.ca and Backpage.com, classified ads online, rebates, contests, sweepstakes, and lotteries, unclaimed assets like forgotten bank accounts, pensions, inheritances, etc. Free legal services for court. Most reputable sites will include privacy or terms of usage agreements at the bottom of the page on their website. If you don't see this, you may not be dealing with a trustworthy website. Unscrupulous people set up websites either to get email addresses to market to or to do more sinister things like implant malware and even steal personal data from a person's computer. Many freebies are nothing more than money-making or affiliate schemes. They don't care about you. They won't send you the freebie, but they will make a few cents every time someone clicks those icons on their website. If some website asks for a credit card number but says it's only for verification or some other crap, forget it. You can find these types of books at number 640 at the library. Chapter 1. Free Stuff Info. Free Stuff General Information. Many companies will send you free things just for the asking because they see you as a potential new or already established happy customer and want to keep it that way. Your best bet is to contact the companies listed here and ask for product information, coupons, or to be put on their mailing list for product information. It doesn't sound as crass as asking for samples. It's easier by email. Just fill in a form. When writing to these companies, always preface your letter with Consumer Services Department. Some of these companies offer recipes for their products. You could call them every few months or so and keep getting coupons and other freebies. Some of these organizations offer additional freebies over and above the ones listed, so be specific when ordering and ask about other products. Free samples websites. liveabout.com/freebies-52022149. instores.walmart.com/in-stores-now-free-samples.aspx. dove.us/$offers/free samples, Dove's free samples page. bullseyesgames.com/contests/freestuff/samples/index.html. styleforfree.com/samples.htm. thefreesite.com. freestuffhunter.com. walmart.com/in-stores-now-free-samples-and-trials.aspx. refundsweepers.com/stuffbymail.html. ehow.com, how to get samples by mail. nojunkfree.com. all-free-samples.com. freebielist.com. freecontests.com. freegrabber.com. freemania.net/samples/food.htm. free-product-samples.com. freesampleforager.com. freesamples.com. free-samples.com. freesamplesblog.com. freesamplesite.com. freesamplezone.com. freesnatcher.com. freestuffandsamples.com. freestuff-for-babies.com. freestuffriend.com. ilovefreebies.com/freesamples.html. Free stuff websites at Money Pantry. moneypantry.com/where-to-get-free-free-donuts. moneypantry.com/where-to-get-free-donuts. moneypantry.com/freebies. moneypantry.com/gas-station-rewards. moneypantry.com/free-gas. moneypantry.com/birthday-freebies. moneypantry.com/free-birthday-meals. moneypantry.com/free-sample-boxes. moneypantry.com/websites-to-get-free-stuff. moneypantry.com/free-money-apps. moneypantry.com/earn-gift-cards. moneypantry.com/where-can-i-get-coupons. moneypantry.com/free-samples-by-mail. moneypantry.com/deal-sites. moneypantry.com/geo/branded surveys. moneypantry.com/gas-station-rewards. moneypantry.com/retail-me-not-guide. Free stuff websites 1. krispykreme.com/more-smiles/rewards. krispykreme.com/locate/location-search. itunes.apple.com/us/app/7-11inc/id 5896533414. play.google.com/store/apps/details, id equals com/sei.android. 7-eleven.com/locations. cinnabon.com/locations. itunes.apple.com/us/app/mypilot-flying-j/id 4742596755 ? play.google.com/store/apps/details, id equals com/pilot-travel-centers.mipalot-hl=n_us. pilotflying.com/store-locator. peats.com/menu/store-list. locations.cumberlandfarms.com. locations.cariboucoffee.com/us. sprinkles.com/locations. whitecastle.com/locations. stores.barnesandnoble.com/stores. moneypantry.com/starbucks-rewards-review. itunes.apple.com/app/starbucks/id 3311777714. play.google.com/store/apps/details, hl equals n and id equals com/starbucks.mobilecard. starbucks.com/card/rewards. moneypantry.com/birthday-freebies. dunkindonuts.com/en/dd-perks/registration. dunkindonuts.com/en/locations. itunes.apple.com/us/apps/7-11inc/id 5896533414. play.google.com/store/apps/details, id equals com/sei.android. 7-eleven.com/7rewards. secure.ikea.com/gb/en/user/signup. stores.worldmarket.com/index.html. itunes.apple.com/us/app/mcdonalds/id 922103212 ? play.google.com/store/apps/details, id equals com/mcdonalds.app. mcdonalds.com/us/n-us/restaurant-locator.html. moneypantry.com/automatic-saving-apps, apps that help you save money automatically. Free stuff websites 2. 1001freegifts.com. 1st-treasures.com. a2zrewards.com. absolutelyfreebies.com. absurdlycool.com. active-freebies.com. actualfree.com. actualfreestuff.com. free.com. free2try.com, free trial offers. free2try.com, free2try. freeafterrebate.info. freebabystuffonline.com. freebiesndealz.com. freebiedirectory.com. freebiedot.com. freebiefanatic.com. freebieforest.com. British free stuff/British coupons. justukfreebies.co.uk. recycle.co.uk. freegear.co.uk. freeinuk.co.uk/free-stuff.php Canadian free stuff / Canadian coupons save.ca gocoupons.ca mcdonalds.ca McDonald's coupons dealfind.com mrclean.ca canadiancoupons.net canadiansaverse.ca Chapter 2 More free stuff. Free local stuff / reuse groups. Reuseitne2ek.org. freecycle.org. throwplace.com. Reuseitnetwork.org. 6dos.net. trashnothing.com. ecofreak.com. Craigslist.org. Go to free stuff section in your local area. freecycle.org. Local bulletin boards for free stuff. throwplace.com. swapfinder.com. Find local cheap stuff at goodwill.org and salvationarmy.org, thrift stores. Free calendars, etc. anyday.com. cyberrebate.com. eorganizer.com. mrwakeup.com. planner.com. Free magazines / free e-magazines. megatopia.com, 3000 free online magazines. onlinemagazines.com. tradepub.com, free trade magazines.